Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Cooking in English. How are you all? It's been a long that I didn't post any video due to some health issues and I apologize for posting late video of sambar. We will try our best to be active. Today we are going to make sambar. In the previous video we made idli in an easy way. If you haven't watched it, it's linked in description box. Okay, let's get started. The main ingredients of sambar are pigeon peas and bottle gourd. Rest you can add any vegetable of your choice. So the first ingredient is yellow split pigeon peas, 1 medium bowl, 1 small cauliflower, 1 small bottle gourd, 3 to 4 fresh curry leaves, which can also be available in market, 3 green chilies, which is optional, 12 ladyfingers or okra, 1 small tomato, desi ghee. So you can see we have chosen only cauliflower and ladyfingers. For the spices, sambar masala, red chili powder, 2 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and tamarind or imli, which is easily available in market. And I forgot to mention 1 onion also. So let's cut them roughly into small pieces. We forgot onion, right? So we took here 1 big onion and these are roughly cut. For this tamarind water, what you need to do is, this type of pack you will get from market written tamarind. Now take a bowl and put a little amount, say 2-3 spoons of tamarind. We just need a little amount of it. Then we will add half glass of water. The first way is to mix it with water is that let it soak for 15 minutes. Second way that we are doing to mix it with water in just 5 minutes like this by stirring. The third way to mix it in water is to put this tamarind in half glass of hot water. You will quickly get it mixed. Then sieve it and separate water like this. Turn on the gas at high flame and put a pressure cooker on it. At first, we are adding washed pigeon peas. Then add 1 bottle full of water. Now we will add all the veggies. At first cauliflower, bottle gourd, ladyfingers, tomato, green chilies, and at the top 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Now at last salt, turmeric powder, isn't it quite easy like to mix all the ingredients in a pressure cooker? Now just mix it. Alright, it's done. Now just close the lid of a pressure cooker at high flame. Wait for it. Now after first whistle, we will turn off the flame. And wait for its steam to get out of by itself. Then we will open the lid. So we are finally left with these ingredients with which we are about to play. Alright, let's transfer Sambhar masala into a small bowl. So this is a big spoon. We are going to put 3 big spoons. If we would talk about small spoons, then this will be of 5 to 6 spoons. Now till the time of waiting, let's do tempering. Take a pan, heat it up and put any vegetable oil in it. At first, we will add mustard seeds. In tempering, the first step is always to put onions. So let's add them at low flame. Stir them in between and wait for them to get golden brown. So, onions have turned to golden brown. Now adding fresh curry leaves. Without curry leaves, sambar is incomplete. Their color is looking so good. Then a small bowl of sambar masala, or you can say 4 to 5 spoons of sambar masala, and mix it. Moving towards the another side, the steam of the pressure cooker has gone, so let's open it and we will firstly add the vegetables like this and transfer to the pan. No need to add whole, just take a little. And mash them to get a good thick textured gravy. We just needed these veggies to get a gravy. So add according to your amount. Now at last, tamarind water. Then add the whole mixture of pressure cooker into the pan. And let it run until it will get boil. Again, we have taken a cute little pan on another side, as you can see. So this sambar is at high flame because we need boiling of it. And here, put some oil in it. You can use any vegetable oil. We generally use olive oil. This is the red chili powder that we are going to add into it. So added a little amount of oil. Then put dry red chilies. Simultaneously mustard seeds. And red chili powder at the last. Then turning off the flame and add this to the pan. You can see the color of sambar. It's so good. Also, this will add more good taste to your sambar. Now just wait for sambar to get a boiling. We let it run as boiling for at least a minute. Then turning off the flame. Let's transfer it into a dish and garnish it.